This is your music, a singular droplet of water staring down at a seemingly endless ocean of other music. And unless you do something special, you could end up being just another drop in the bucket. So today, we're going to talk about how to stand out. The first way to set yourself apart is to record your own sounds and samples. They say that only taxes and death are guaranteed in this life, but I can pretty much guarantee no one will ever again record a sound like this. So recording your own sounds and samples will keep things fresh. But what if we did something nobody was even expecting? Like, take this peanut butter sandwich for example. What if we put jelly on it? Nah, man, we're gonna put honey on it because I'm a psycho. But what if I told you it wasn't a peanut butter honey sandwich at all? Instead, it was made with almond butter, and the honey wasn't honey, it was hot honey!
You like jazz?
What I did there was just try to subvert your expectations. Don't always just play it safe. Do something risky and shocking that's gonna engage your listener. Now this last tip is one that I really haven't heard other people talking about, and it's to focus on building your story and not just your music. Think of your favorite artist. Yes, I'm sure you engage and listen to their music almost every day, but what do you really like about them? For me, I really like the story of the artist who wrote the music. For example, I think of Mark Foster from Foster the People. He lived in LA for years and years and was trying to make the whole music thing happen. He was a bartender, a pizza delivery guy, until he finally landed a job writing jingles. He worked to write companies' jingles like Honey Bunches of Oats and Verizon. And when he finally got things put together, the first song he released under Foster the People was Pumped Up Kicks. Think of other artists with great stories too, like Joji or Billie Eilish and Phineas. Their music dives into the twists and turns, the narrative of their life story that they're really telling. So is your music truly telling your story? Or are you just saying what you think people want to hear? Until next time, peace.